What's up, guys? Welcome from the Hair Made India showroom downtown Los Angeles. We specialize in 100% raw human Indian hair extensions. Today I'm going to do a little bit of something special, kinda I guess, but for my wholesalers and my partners and teammates out there across the world, I have an Excel spreadsheet that we use to get you guys wholesale orders as far as which bundles, which inches, which colors, textures, curl patterns, and everything you want, and see an actual total final price on the end of that. It helps out when you're planning your orders for the future, when you're making budgets, all kind of things. So yeah, once again, I'm going to start with this right now. It's going to be a screen share option. So if you do want to call in, you can call in. If not, check out the screen recording. Use our wholesale catalog. So this is my wholesale screen. One second, guys. So anyway, we have the wholesale info right here, catalog right here. So we're going to go to the breakdown sheet. No, I didn't want to play this game. And the breakdown sheet is going to show three different tabs: 1 kilogram, 4 kilograms, or 10 kilograms down here at the bottom. Right, so red, yellow, green, 1 kg, 4 kg, 10 kg. So once you go into this 1 kg category, you are basically about to start looking for your order. So we have North Indian and South Indian. Straight, natural wavy, natural curly, custom curly in the South, that's steam curl. Then we have North Indian straight, wavy, body wave, custom curly, and blonde colors. Alright, so moving on, the 4 kg category has the same exact setup, South and North Indian with the same textures going over until blonde. 10 kg as well has the same thing, going all the way over to blonde. So, I'm going to go ahead and put a slight order in here. See, there was some on here. This is really easy to use, guys. A lot of people call us and message us and ask us for order requests and how much this and that costs. And the reason we make our pricing sheet per number, broken down the way you're looking at right now on your screen, by inch per price, so you're not stuck with a certain type of package deal, something that just seems really unfamiliar, not engaged, not out of the box type of solution. This way you're going to pick and choose the exact pieces you want and pay those exact prices for it. So moving into this, it says right here the quantity must be at least 100 bundles. We're going to enter 100 bundles somewhere into these categories, and we're going to get a total of 100 here with a price here. So let's start with the straight South Indian or North Indian, and let's say 10 bundles a piece, 10, 12, 14, 16. Alright, that's 40 bundles right there. Let's go ahead and take that and move it into the natural wavy, the body wavy, and then let's go ahead and get some South Indian natural wavy, straight, and some custom as well. Alright, guys. So right here what we have is 240 bundles, which if you are contacting us about orders this large, we could reduce that number by at least about 3 to 5%. So if that is something you're interested, call us. Side note. Anyway, yeah. So if you have any questions, give us a call. Make sure you have this in front of you when you do call us. Super simple. You can do the same thing, and I'm just copying and pasting here, guys. You can go over to this category and say, okay, if I just wanted to get 40, how much is that going to cost me over here? If I'm going to do just 40 bundles minimum, oh, whoops, it's definitely not 40. Say, there's 40. So if we do 40 in the North Indian straight, in these inches, we're looking at 1660. Right, the same thing can apply here. If you want to do 10 and 10, 450 is your price for just 10 right there. So 40, 1660, 10, 450, and 10 kg with 240 pieces is 10,510. And so let me show you guys what just 100 would look like in here. I think someone just asked that question. So we have 100 now. So 100 looking at 4520, 40, 1660, 10. Alright guys, thanks for watching the screen share option. And one thing I wanted to add in, and then, sorry about that. One thing I wanted to add in though, however, is the program you guys will be using is Microsoft Excel, or you can probably use it in Google Sheets also. If you have any issues or need any help in downloading these softwares at all, just give us a call. They're super simple to use, and they're available online as well, so you don't actually have to download anything. So once again, it's Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets and Docs. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit us up. Hairman India, Rocky Kandola. Peace. Love.